Hello, hello. All right, let's start the recording. New curtain and go. All right, hello, welcome. It's Monday, 30th September. Gonna be trading NQ on various funded accounts. See what happens. I was listening to ICT just a few minutes, see what he was doing. Apparently we're short today, according to him. I saw some levels that he marked, which did make sense. Let's see. I haven't done a lot of higher time frame analysis. I've been spending part of the weekend debugging the indicator I've been working on. You can see it here. Market Structure Pro. As you see on my screen, I always have these areas automatically drawn for me, and now I added the option to draw, which is experimental, unreleased, probably going to be part of a pro suite of indicators that will have a subscription attached to it. They're thinking about it, and I also draw SNDRs. I'll show you here. See now my indicator automatically does not only mark the bullish and bearish zones with protected levels, but also the last up close moves in bearish zones and the last down close move in bullish zones. End of the speech on the indicator. I just want to be ready. I have 20 minutes for the open. See if I can form a bias for the session. So let's go back to 4 hour. I increased the volume, by the way. You guys let me know if it's the volume is high enough. I think so. Now I did a test. I listened to my own recording. I'm not gonna open any position until the open anyway, so yes, is about to hit the previous day high, and NQ has just done it. There's something wrong here. This candles, I don't know. Something is desynchronized. No. Let me read the past candles, see what we can see. So we had the famous Friday PM session drop where we closed. There's a small new week opening gap, well, the small in the 4 hour. We did try to come back up and failed. We closed here. We wicked, couldn't close. We closed here. We still could not with the open, and we closed higher, but we couldn't close up. We wicked, and now we even had a very strong bearish move, and this candle will end at 10 a.m. So there is a case for waiting 10 a.m. how this candle closes to give us a real clue what price wants to do in the AM session. But being degenerate gamblers as we are, if we could anticipate now, before the open, what's likely to happen, maybe we can capture some of this move and call it a day. That's my idea. Do I have a clear understanding? So talking about zones, if we take clean market structure, we have a clean break with a close above this level, and we haven't confirmed a new higher leg yet, but this would support price. So we are in a bullish zone and we haven't touched the 30% yet. what you'd call the 4-hour SNDR. We did breach the zone here. That will make this entire zone up to here sort of the area responsible. If you don't consider the wick, then this could be considered an area, and there's a reaction around 50% of it. Now, for context, I don't know how long I want to spend on the 4-hour, to be honest. This is interesting. So the fact that we're holding, this is a 4-hour, this seems like to be the previous day low, but also is the H4. $14 to 18. For set Friday. Right. Which is the previous day low. All right, so we're dilly-dallying around the previous day low. This is a clear SNDR. As you can see, the last up move before we broke this clean level. And so this is going to tell us a lot about the order flow. There's also a new week opening gap just above it. This is going to tell us a lot about what price wants to do now. As you can see, we went above this zone and we're bouncing around this SNDR. Let's say is the first step, right? We're looking at the 1 minute. I'm also checking out the 5 minute and the 12 minute chart and the relationship with the ES for the last move. There's no clear immediate divergence between ES and Q, but ES has just come back to the previous day low. The reaction to this SNDR is critical, and so in a bearish scenario, what we would like to see is not breach this level. Want to keep an eye on. I'd say maybe I'll draw it here. So those levels are drawn by my indicator. Not expect continuation, but just eyes here. You know, pay close attention to what happens around there. Let's also turn on the valid pullbacks, like all the valid highs and lows, to see where there's actually a rejection and bearish momentum might be building. So if we close below, my indicator marks the candle that if we breach it will confirm a valid low. What do I see? In a previous life, when I was trading only equal highs and equal lows, I would have liked this a lot. There's an SNDR here that doesn't have a double tap, though it's fickle because there's a big zone and there's equal lows, and price likes to tap equal lows and then run. The SNDR, one thing that I will add to my indicator is the levels. Draw the 30%, the 50%. In the style I've learned from, more recently from Andres Osorio. AFOP is his name or acronym or handle. What if? So ICT said shorts, huh? Short, mega short to a low target. Just by looking at this, we need to see what the rejections are, because a close above here would mean some upward momentum to me. Where can we get to? So if we look at, let me zoom out. Asia range high is also the equilibrium of the previous day. Look, it's actually not able to do it, right? So we're very close to the open. If we close below this SNDR, because this is how I need to, because I only have 10 minutes. I need to, if I want to take a trade at the open, I just said, please don't show it. Sometimes it doesn't synchronize across all the instances of the chart. No, doesn't matter. Okay, so let me remove the text because it's annoying. Thank you, Craig, for the suggestion to make the text optional. So, rejection has been pretty clean of this SNDR, and it's old school breaker, breached, retested. So if you consider this zone, it's also bearish breaker, it held price quite well. If we close below here with the momentum, how many dollars? Well, these are 15 points. This is a trade. This is a trade. And it's 920. This will become, yeah, we would flip the market structure, however you want to call it, because there is a zone here. It is true that this is a half zone, because it's a breach that immediately came back and up. So this is a weak. Many times this is a weak structure and won't really hold. So probably the real market structure shift, you'd consider it here. What's the target for the short if we want to hold it? I see the equal lows that ICT was talking about. They're very low. Right. I think these are the ones he was talking about. Yeah. Those are the ones. Makes sense. All right. We did tap 2 times the 30% of this SNDR. If we would have wicked above here and then showed some, I would say, holding power around here, I could consider a long, just based on order flow hints. I'm adding some more context. There's also a SNDR on the 5 minutes, so makes it hard to see. Huh? Let me hide this. Okay, so this is an SNDR on a 5 minute zone. 7 minutes. I'm trying just to form an idea about what's happening. Oh, this is a nice trend line that the price is creating. Just looking at the 5-second chart. I do see another. Yeah, there seemed to be a nice target at 147, like we marked here. Oh, just to not be caught out off guard with sizing, let me set something up. If you wanted to open a trade at the close around here, well, what are we talking about? So say risk 500. This will be a 12. We're wicking. Price is twitching. Price is twitching. I see a reaction to the origin on 5 seconds. Well, we can drop to the 5 seconds, but if I don't have a clear indication, it's not that useful. Right. Oh, you wanted music? Some people commented that the music was very nice. So just on face value, this seems like we flipped bullish. We activated the breaker held. This would be the breaker, right? The breaker held and went to the next leg, came back, showed support. We did take some liquidity here and we rejected hard. I would be interested if when we wait the open, like 9:30, it wicks above, come back, double taps this and then runs, or come down here and runs. But the to be honest, sometimes I have a crazy read on a narrative, and I know everything well in advance. Like the time I showed you about that market maker model that played out to the tick, and I called it hours before. But if I look at the 12-minute candles, yeah, okay, we did violate the SNDR over 12 minutes. 12-minute zone. I can show you. Interesting enough, it doesn't show. I know why. It's just the two different modalities of drawing zones. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I know I'm late, but I see maybe a long. I would have liked a week, the to wick here, double tap of this SNDR, and then going up. But so 928 going up before 928. Also, it's an indication that we're sort of manipulating before where we want to go. I don't have it, and I don't have a clear read. Right, these are drawn automatically, so well, let's see how precise this automatic drawing of supply and demand areas responsible for breaking zones is, and train our eyes. So see, they drew one bullish one here with a protected level, and it's responding to this. Price is responding to this. Let's see if we violate it. Okay, we wicked above it. Let's see now if we can come back and hold price here. But it's the open, so the open is to be delicate. I don't have that crazy read. I'm probably not taking a trade at 9:30, which makes me sad because I often do. But you know, it is what it is. We're probably gonna have to wait for either 9:33, see if something clear appears, or after 10 a.m. Okay, it is time. Whoa, whoa, very good hold of this SNDR. Oh, we wicked it. Angle, off we go. Okay, up and down. So far I'm happy. I didn't enter anything. But did I lose the trade? I removed it, right? We're, ooh. Okay, barcode on 5 seconds. The rest, the frequency of updates on TradingView in 5 seconds, it's atrocious. Like I'm watching it now on the chart print on Top Step X, and the frequency is much higher. I can see a lot more candles and detail. I can show you. All right, we have gone long. To be honest, I don't know. I said I was not sure, but look at this. Okay. ICT and his idea of the short primed me the wrong way. That happens sometimes. I never listen to him before I trade. But I was not feeling staying at the chart before the open today. Yeah, all right. You ripped. As I said, it was bullish breaker, hold, came back to retest it, show support. It sort of does make sense. Could we have predicted it from this hold? So this SNDR actually gave a very good reaction. Could we have done it here? It was a very clean response to touching here. It didn't do complete an SPS because we didn't wick. Well, no, to be honest, there was an SPS. Let me show you. There, it's your count. There's always a count. This is what I've learned, that there's always a count. That's the 4. That's the 5. Hey, some of my friends have taken the long. All right. Oh my God. Some friends have taken a monster long. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now what? Now we have to wait. Won't be able to do anything for a while. I don't know if I want to re-enter, because there's always the wave of return, and then you don't know if this was the Judas swing and now we dump 1 billion points. You have to let it do its thing. What I can see on the 12 minutes, yeah, let's see what happens. We're now hitting another, it's an SNDR, but it's also, we're close to the origin of this move. Let's see if we wick it. I see 3 drives forming. Fourth, okay, and that's the 3 drives, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th strong reaction to the downside. Would you dare enter this? Nah. There he comes. What would you do? Doesn't make sense, right? This trade makes no sense. Absolutely no sense. Something broke? Something broke. Oh, there's an indicator that it didn't update. Well, I don't know what's happening. We did breach this other zone. Going up. Alright. Apparently Asia range high, Asia high or equilibrium of the previous day. Wow, look at this. This is a 12-minute view of what's happening. So what I was commenting before was this, that we did violate and retest this, say, order block or the last up close candle before breaching it. And so that, if you remember what I said, it was like that gave me a little bit pause that maybe we were building bullish momentum. We have to see, we need to close above here. Yeah, apparently there's a huge SNDR. I don't know what that is. does not make sense. Well, I see what's happening here. So it's the last down move before breaking the structure, and it gets to here. All right, interesting. You let the machine do. You give it the rules, then it's gonna follow the rules. If you give it the rules of how to draw, how SNDR should be built, then it's gonna do it. Whatever the result, it's not thinking; it's just executing the logic that you built in it. I would say we have to at 10 a.m. I'm not gonna touch, probably not gonna touch anything before then. So let me pause for now and resume in 10, 15, 20 minutes. See you in a bit. I'm back just because sorry. Probably just gonna be quiet for a while, but just realized we reached the OTE level of this move. From this low to Asia high, we are at the Fibonacci level. We did wick. Let me show you. We are wicking and rejecting this protected level on 12 minutes. We did wick and reject. We're wicking and rejecting. So in 3 minutes this candle closes. Sometimes I do it like this. I place a vertical. It's gonna tell me when we need to have this confirmation. And this is the confirmation if the candle closes above or below. Alright. So we have time until this. Yeah, right. I think it just did it. This is a nice weak rejection held at the Lucas NDR. So we have to hold until 9:48. So to know if the 12-minute valid high is gonna, if we're gonna breach that level, the 12-minute level or not. You could also watch it in 15. It does not matter. Okay, that way, develop the order flow, Nick. This is a bearish. Now we breach this SNDR. Bearish. Yeah. Okay, it will become interesting if we come here and we. So there's something for come here, take this liquidity and do not breach this. We're mega bullish. Yeah. So then we did the whole shebang. And if we lose this, which on the 1 minute, let me hide this, it's not nice. Basically we'll be coming back down here. Okay, we closed above, so these ideas have not panned out. I think we push up 100%, right? There's no way we close a candle above this level, and then we dump. This is just an accumulation for the next move. So this was your SBS. I could have told you. I could have told you that that's what was gonna happen, but I didn't, and I didn't take any trade. All right. Now, what if we come back and fail this? Still 949. Yeah, then we will need to go close with vigor below here on 12 minutes. So then we will need to move this. I used to do this tracking of the 12-minute candles because it did work quite well. So then we would need to do this. Wait until this. All right, let's just keep tracking order flow. I think it's just long right now. See what price tells us. So we did a double top. You always need to be careful. So at the SNDR or at the zone origin, when we arrive and we do a double tap, there's always a possibility that that was the completion of a move, and price wants to come down. Okay, this, by the way, this CSS flip is still holding. All right. I would not even think about being bullish before some very strong move below this, but okay. 100% continuation, do it. I want to keep an eye on ES. Oh my God. We do have SMT, my friends. We do have SMT. Okay. Is it time to take something? Is it a 10 a.m., 9:50, 10:10 short? It does not make sense. Does it? So we failed the bridge. We did how many? How many? We did 1, 2, 3, 4. Strength. 1. We're ranging. Yeah, there was some intermediate news, right? Orange news, 9:45. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay. Was it this one? Yeah, this was the. Okay. That seems a short now. Since we topped at the sort of OTE level, and this we double wicked this SNDR. Is it a trick? This seems possible. This seems possible. Wanna be a good place to enter a short. This is SNDR. It's not marked. Makes me happy because it means there's still some work to do. Can we just take this and go up? Is this a trick? Okay, depends on what we do with this week. Okay, let's say 13. 13. Let's set it. Stop sell. One ticket will be this one too. Yeah, one account is enough for now. Alright, we're going short. Not betting on a 10 a.m. retracement. Actually, this SNDR has we wicked it, but it could be the double bottom reversal and then we continue. But ES looks very, very bearish. Right? ES looks very bearish. I was not tagged in and we're bouncing up.
Order filled.
Right, now we're in. See what happens. Oh, entered the wrong size, of course. Let's see. Target would be, official target would be here. This could be just a fancy manipulation before going another leg up. But it seemed we lost the momentum, to be honest. It has empty. I want to take only one trade on this account, so let me take profit at logical levels, right? Logical level. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the protected level, of course. It's 10 a.m., so if this was the fake, I better do it fast. The thing is, yes, it takes a little bit longer to do these clever tricks. We're still at the protected level that I said we should short. So we could definitely come back up and reverse now. So let's say it was an early read. Totally possible that that's the level where we turn. I consider that 10 a.m. clarify the what price wants to do. Can we come back up here and do a double tap and then dump? That's my only worry, because I placed the stop for now there. I enter slightly few more contracts above the risk that I placed for myself. But if we go down, we should be okay. I also want to set an intermediate. Okay, that's nice. Very, very good. Yeah. Just do it. Go. I want to. Okay, this is perfect. Let me trail. No, I want to make sure I take some profits at logical levels. I can take 5 off. How many points? 20 points. Yeah, it would make sense to buy. I removed 5 contracts just to take something off. Is it time to move to break even? Can price come back? Well, it has to feel this fair value gap, so at least I would say when it's could maybe take off take off 3 here. I'd say we go break even now. Does it make sense to reverse here? Did we touch any level? Actually, okay, wait, there is a level here. I see. So, I could buy 5 more. I didn't. There's a SNDR, see here, right? I'm taking this on the on an account that's ready for payout, so I would like just to make sure we remove the so I don't have any loss of margin. So it's coming back. I'm gonna have to let it do its thing. Okay, I was stopped. I hate this. When would it be okay? The shorter we continue right here. Stop sell. So we didn't breach. We came back to this SNDR, and we might have a continuation. And if we go. Points was it? Was I aiming for too much? Okay, so I could take a 30-point profit. I took something out, which makes me happy. I should have taken, let's say, 2/3 instead of only 1/3 out. I will show you the execution. I might re-enter. Don't think the move is done. We probably should get to this level if price wants to turn. Okay, I mean again, 167. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if major manipulation and we go back up. Let's see how much I'm risking. You're not seeing, but I did re-enter now very low. Disappointing. Below here. I don't think this move is complete, but I re-entered here. And I have a stop. My target would be 6-7. That means counterfeiting the whole open and going in the true direction, which some of our mentors had called. All right, that's nice. Take points, take some profits off. Is it gonna go up now? Duh. To be honest, there's ES is fighting. It's fighting. It's not just dumping. There is these equal lows. So actually what I can do is like set the target. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let me sell only 8 to here. Limit by 5. Limit by 2. Limit by 1. Okay. Still coming back up all the way, baby. It does make sense, right? Because you want to take out from the market the people that are winning, of course. Let me see where the 147. So target will be 147. Am I being too greedy again? I'm being too greedy again, huh? Maybe the run is over. The S is maybe turning. I've been too greedy, right? I generally have the maybe it's when I'm not streaming, but that is, or recording, where I tend to have very short targets when I am by myself. But somehow being able to hold much longer positions, maybe when explaining logically the targets, and I'm still in this. If you like this vibe, it's like royalty-free music. Target right now, first TP. Oh, these are like 30 CP is this? If I had moved to break even, it would have got me again. All right, I do want to see it touch that as a first TP. Yes, yes, please do it.
Order filled.
Thank you. I'll show the execution after this. And now last final target 147. All right. I did take only a partial here. That was not 29 points. Let me see where I got disappointing, to be honest. 206, was it? I took a partial at 206 at 1 hour, and then it came back. So it was not amazing trade, to be perfectly honest. Now next, I'm just gonna bring it to break even, and if that was the move, that was the move. I made so far $600. It's always a little bit frustrating because I mean this was probably a 2000 trade with proper management. It is what it is. Yes, it is sort of building a trend line. And we hold. I have seen this before. This seems also at this level probably should get tagged. I have 2 hats. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped now. Well, I will show you the execution when it's completed. Alright, it stopped me break even. Luckily it was this time the smaller part of the trade. Let me show the whole execution. Alright, let's see. You see that it actually happened. That's the execution for you. There you go. I had a very good read, and I trailed a stop which I shouldn't have. I moved the break even. I only cashed in 5 contracts instead of maybe 10, 12. And now I probably continue because I see another SBS 1, 2, 3, 4. Breach the SNDR and keep going. I think if we go below here, we could keep going. I could take it maybe with a different account. Now I should not press it too much, but oh, there you go, there you go, there you go. Can I go down? I sold, right? Okay, sometimes I buy limit, buy stop. This would be beautiful, to be honest. We would sell 10 here, right? We would sell... I think now we probably flipped structure, to be honest. I don't know how much I'm risking. I did it on the fly. So, because we have this target, right? So, we have this target. 40 points. I want to buy 10. Okay. Oh, yes, baby. Yes, mate, yes, do it. Okay, we move it on. Do you want to cash some? How many points of this again? 13. Alright, I like this. Is it gonna show the execution? Okay, gorgeous. I needed this. This is a different account. I should just buy 10 now because this the levels of. Of course, he didn't do it. I guess I have to, because I think there was extra leverage, so I need to remove the orders. It's not bad. I would have. Yeah, do it. Oh my god, that's amazing. Perfect. So now we're gonna go there 100%. So I removed the stop. Let me put the stop, right? Not 15. 5. Okay, I'm pleased with this. I'm unhappy that now we might get a retracement, and I wanna hold it here. All right, this is pretty good. So in the end, Mentor on Mentors was right, and we saw it happen in price. At the end of this trade, my session is done. I've got 3 nice wins, and that was very beautiful, I have to say. I managed to catch it by the tail, because that could have been the moment of turning, of course, but we knew the move was not complete because we had this trend on liquidity. We only massage it halfway, and does he want to do an extra passage? It's 10.20. I'm very pleased with this trade, man. thing is that it might even keep going. Shall I do 4? No, let's not do it. Let's not be greedy. There you go. He never wants to do it. This is the trail that then removes a lot of your profit. I will stops me. Another mismanaged trade. So close to it. I should put the targets not at those, but is it going to be able to weak it? Let's see. Kudos to him. It's gonna weak it, you know. Take out people that are trailing 100%. Let me move it up. 10-20. Alright. Mismanaged, but alright. Where did we close? So actually I had 42 points, 41 instead of 42. See, this is where sometimes let me move the music because we're gonna stop. This is money I leave on the table. Part of my, they say, improvement I have to do. I'm quite happy with this, let's say, New York Open session. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, we do the double tap on this SNDR. You want to re-enter with a different account. Let me do it with one of the small accounts on Apex.
Order.
Oh, actually, with a combine. Yeah, absolutely. So.
Order submitted.
Right, I still believe we're going to go there, and if we let me go to the 5 seconds on that chart. So I believe if we breach this, we're gonna go down a lot of points. So yeah, there you go. Ready? Probably gonna go. Question is, how many points is this? Yeah, it's only 8 points, but let's make a assumption that we're gonna keep going. It's an evaluation, so if it's the day that we go down, that's gonna be an easy pass, because once it breaches here, it's not gonna bounce. It's actually going to go towards 1960 or something.
Order filled.
There you go. Of course, immediate bounce of 1 billion points. Let's see if I can get to. Let's see if this was the reversal. Let's see. At least we should hit, I would say, 147. This is an account where I had done, it's an evaluation, 50,000 on Apex. I had done 800 profit this morning during London because I miscalculated the sizes. That happens sometimes. So we would try to aim for 18.50, of course.
Order submitted.
That would be 3,500, so that's not good. I only need 800, 3,000, 2,200. So wait, realize was okay. We are in profit. We did get to the equalize. That's now that the gamble of this trade is that we're going to keep going. Yeah, like after this strong level is hit, do we want to get to the origin of this move? And the origin, is it 31 enough? Yeah, so 31. So this level would make me pass. Yeah, 50,000 evaluation. Yeah, well, this is nice. Do I want to set the stop?
Order submitted.
Okay, I have a stop in the break even. Let me check the price. If we can get to 3,000, I'm going to close it. I re-entered here, by the way. Objective is to 31. Or what did it say? 31. There you go. Am I at 3,000? 3,000? 200? Do I see 3,000? 2,300?
Order filled.
All right. 3,090. I will
Order
show you.
canceled.
I will show you. All right. All right. All right. Okay, let me show you if I can cut it properly. This is an evaluation like this. I can cut it maybe. There you go. There you go. 3,000. Listen, can I copy this? Can I just do that? Oh shit. No, I'm 100 short because of the fees and stuff. All right. All right. Whatever. Let's see. Okay, don't say. All right. I would say what an amazing what an amazing AM session. I'm happy I have everything recorded. It started very, very unclear to me. And then things clarified when we started topping. Very happy about it. I will try to make this 100. I'm just going to click randomly and see if I can make 100. But you don't have to see it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. It's 1 hour 15. Huh? It's very long. I'll post it. See what happens. Thank you for watching. See you next time.